What's up, guys? So today we're finally getting the 840 PCM installed in the Demon. We finally found a dealership that will let us go back there with them and install it with them, and that way I can get a good video. A lot of the dealers around us wouldn't let us back there with the camera and or let us back there at all. So we're gonna give this dealership a try. It's Serra Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Blanc, Michigan. They're gonna let us go back there and video while the tech puts the new PCM in there. Obviously we have to have the dealer do it in order to be under factory warranty, and also so that they can clear the code that you get once you put the new PCM in there. So before he starts putting the new PCM in, he flashed the stock one because there was a recall for the cruise control. So that's what he's doing now. We got Matt on the job here. Just 2 pins.
Pressure.
We got the old PCM out. It's attached to this bracket here.
What does that one say on the back? Say anything?
I went ahead and taped this up so that when we pulled it out, the bracket didn't scratch the support bar here. And you got your wiring harness. All right, so we got the PCM in there.
Hold it to the floor. Release. Okay. All set.
So we got it all buttoned up. Now Matt's just programming it. Good to go?
Yep, these are the only codes that you're going to have in here. This is going to be in there every time just because it's the performance controller,
Right.
you know. Yep, and I believe there's paperwork in there that explains all that.
Sweet.
Yep.
Thanks, Matt.
All set. Thank you.
All right, guys, so we're back at home with the car. We're gonna go ahead and put some Boostane in the gas here. We're gonna put one of these, this whole quart in there. There's about 18 gallons in the car right now, so it'll give us about 101 octane, let's say. But yeah, we're gonna put some Boostane in there, let it run a little bit, and then we're gonna go test it and see if we can feel a difference between the 808 horsepower and the 840. Alright guys, so we're going to try out the high octane button. You can see here it went to 840. It says high octane fuel activated. Let's see if we got enough Boostane in there to keep the octane high enough. If not, it'll go back down to 808 and it'll say not enough octane. So let's see if we can feel a difference in the 840 horsepower versus the 808.
Faster than me.
You need to do like a 60.
Dang, it feels good.
Yes.
Doggone, feels good. Shit.
Go ahead. Alright guys, so that completes today's video. The 840 PCM is definitely a noticeable difference from the 808 stock PCM that comes in the Demon. It's taken us a long time to get that installed, but like I said, we had to make sure we found a dealership that let us go back there and do it with them so that we could get it on video for you guys, and also, you know, make sure we find somebody that's careful and took their time, and so that we didn't have any scratches, etc. But the 840 PCM in this car is definitely a big difference from the 808. I know it's only 40 horsepower, but man, it feels good. It feels like we added 100 shot to this car. It really does. So they did a great job at engineering that. And also, I want to say the transmission to me seems like it shifts a lot harder and also at a higher RPM, almost like a Trans-Tune would in a Hellcat. But anyway, that completes today's video. I got more videos coming for you guys. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you guys next video. Peace.